Hello YouTube, it's Nicholas speaking. Welcome to another tutorial about Elementor elements. If you want to see previous episodes, find the links down in the description. Today we are going to cover this element here, progress bar. But before that, I will be very happy if you click on subscribe button and don't forget to check the bell because you'll be notified about new tutorials right away. Let's go. Okay guys, those are the elements from previous tutorials. In last one we covered this counter element, this here, and today we are going to check the progress bar. Drag and drop in this last column here, and what we have. In first tab in progress bar you can type your skill. For example, your skill. Yeah. I know it is very creative. Okay, in type you can check the default for color. Default is our orange color, just like this, and you can set to be bluish one, info, success to be green, warning again orange, and danger red. Okay, and you can set the percentage here, for example, more than 50, less than 50, and also 100. Here you can hide or show the percentage, and with inner text you can change this text here. I know, just type something, just like my work or WordPress, because WordPress can be skill. Okay, in styles, let's check these options. You can change the color. This is our default color. You can change the background color, just like this. Also, you can change the height, the border radius, you see, and you can change the color for inner text. For example, let's set no green, don't green, I know, choose black one, it's never mind. And under typography, you can change the font and other settings for fonts. In title style, you can change the color of title. This is the title, and you can change the typography, the font family, and so on. In last tab, this is the advanced field, and those images are the same, just like in other sections. Okay guys, this tutorial was very short and very easy. Again, don't forget to subscribe, smash the bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching me and see you around. Bye bye.